How to earn $100 on Bybit. So in this video, I'll show you step by step the new method on how to earn USDT on the Bybit up to 100 USDT. So let me show you step by step how to do it. First up, after you open the Bybit app like this, so you go to your profile at the top right side. After you go to your profile, so the next thing to do, you scroll to down and tap on this reward hub. After you come to the reward hub section, so from there now, if you scroll to down, so if you scroll to down now, if you look at this option now, there is different tax that Bybit gives you in order for you to earn the $100 or more than 100 USDT. So if you look at this one, it says convert 100 USDT, that $100. The second one, it says convert, the second one is $1,000, and the third one is $1,000 at the same time. So now, if you want to earn one of these tax that Bybit gives you in your Bybit app, just you need to tap on this option where it says accept button. Just tap on the accept button on your Bybit app. So if you tap on the accept button, so from there it will take you to the dashboard of the tax. So from there you'll be able now to see the conditions and the terms and conditions for you to complete the tax. After you complete the tax, so from there they will give you a period time to get credited on your Bybit app. After you just complete the tax well, I'm sure you'll be able now to get the reward. So that's it guys on how to get 100 USDT in the Bybit app. You just need to complete some tax in the Bybit app, and then if you are looking, you'll be able to get the 100 USDT or even above than 100 USDT sometimes. So if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.